Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. If you are new to the channel, you're highly welcome. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okay. And today we have a simple problem on the board on calculus. It says if y is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4, we should find the y over dx at what? X equals to 5. All you need to do is want to differentiate all these expressions. So I have the y over dx. We are going to differentiate this. They will respect to x. We are going to differentiate this, okay? So I have the minus, then we differentiate the 3x. I can put a power of 1 there, plus, then we are going to differentiate the 4. I can add the x raised to the power of 0, since this means 4 times 1, okay? So our dy over dx is going to give us, now this is going to come down to multiply what? X, and we're simply going to subtract 1 from the power, minus what? 1 is going to come down to multiply 3. We are going to subtract 1 from the power, plus 0 is going to come down to multiply the 4, and we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Right, so let's see what this gives us. Our dy over dx is going to give us, this is 2x, raised to the power 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 times 1 is 3, x raised to the power 1 minus 1 is 0, plus, okay, 4 times 0 is 0, 0 times all this is still 0, so I have that as plus 0 at the end. Okay, so let's see what that further gives us. So our dy over the x is going to be 2 times what? X, okay, minus, okay, x raised to the power of 0 from law in this is 1, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So plus 0, so we have all this. So that will give us 2x, okay, minus what? 3 times 1 is what? 3. Yeah, but the question says we should find our dy over what? The x, okay, when x is what? 5. So all you need to do is we have to substitute x as 5 here. So it's going to be 2 times what? 5, okay, minus what? 3. Now 2 times 5 is what? 10 minus 3. So that is going to give us 7. So when x is 5, our dy over the x of this expression was give us for the value of what? 7. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this video to somebody. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.